Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6a, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll use settings as an example for this. Once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold the power key and the volume down at the same time. This will have a flash along with a pop-up right here and two options. So you have a share, edit, and there was also, I believe, a scrollable option. I'm gonna actually check it out. So yep. And wow, actually Google has one of the better ones. So normally it will start scrolling down, but here it just shows you the entire page. So you can just swipe down if you want. It zooms in so you can be a little bit more precise with it. And once you are satisfied with the length of it that you captured, just select save. Now both of those screenshots that I have captured right now can be located in the Photos application. There we go, that was a video recording. So there we go, we have screenshots, movies. So I think if I would have a little bit more here, it would probably create categories at the bottom, but I might be wrong. So with the assumption there are categories, obviously you will find one that is called screenshots. It's kind of already separating them right here. So there is the long screenshot, then there is the normal one, and I guess another normal one. Yeah, so there we go. So that is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.